Hi to all of you. Today I want you to know on how to purchase online from Enagic company. So I'd like to share you a little bit. Okay, let's go to our Enagic store. So let's purchase. If you want to purchase online, this is the guide. Just click here up in the menu. Then select machine. Then if you want to buy ANESPA DX, just click ANESPA, and here is the products, price, and then you can view the details. Okay, so ANESPA is good for your home hot spring shower. Okay, good for your hair and your skin. So when you click this pictures, you can see the products, the in stock, and then the price, including the tax, is 140,000, but you can get, or you can purchase it cash or installment. Okay, so you can purchase these products if you have a sponsor or referrals ID number, or sponsor or refers distributor ID. So I'll give you distributor ID number. Okay, so we just put 3,000 and another 3, another 30. Okay, 3,000, the total of 60, and then 4583. Okay, so this is the ID number you're going to use if you want to purchase here online. Then you can see the name above, you 1A Harris Singson. So that is your sponsor. Okay, so add cart. After that, click add cart. Okay, then price is 125,000. Okay, but including tax is 140,000. But the product price only is 125,000. So you see this below. Proceed to check out. Okay, and then you can check out as a guest. Then continue. Then you can put here your first name. This one, first name, last name. Company is Enagic, like this, Enagic company. And then your email address. Okay, address, street address to, and then province, and then telephone number, and complete. You can complete this one, and then continue into the shipping information. Okay, shipping information, or just click it to continue. Okay, after that you see the shipping method. So if your cargo delivery is LBC, you can pay it 2,510 only. Okay, then continue to payment information. So if you have your credit card, debit card, Asia Pay, or GCash, so you can use it either credit card, debit card, or GCash. Okay, that's it. So that's all. Now you can see. So that is my name, address, then contact number, and then shipping fee, and the amount of the products is 125,000. Grand total of tax is 15,000. Grand total of 142,510. And that's it. You can accept this agreement and please order. So, okay. Try to place order. Now you can pay through GCash. Okay. Select your payment method here by clicking on the logo. Okay, just click this one. Okay, you can see here. So, okay. This is Visa sample. This is for Visa. Okay. That's it. So that's all for today. So after those information or those transaction is completely finished, so you'll just wait for your delivery. So that's all the ending the payments method. Okay, so that's all for today. So thank you and see you next time.